After the cheese demonstration, you will have some time to taste the cheese as well, and then you have some free time. I will be waiting outside for you, but you have some free time, and then we will meet back at 10:55.
Okay, welcome. Good morning, everybody. So I'm already established you come from all different countries, including some cheese countries. So you have to promise not to tell anybody what you see here. No, you can convey any of our secrets here. Right. So English is okay for everybody. Yeah? Okay. Right. So this is a cheese experience, not a cheese factory. The cheese is made about 10 miles from here, and every day the cheese is brought here in the morning. Then we display it, and you're going to taste all the different cheeses. The milk goes in the barrel like over there, and then we heat the milk to about 29 degrees centigrade, or for Fahrenheit people 82.4. Why that temperature? Why not a bit higher or lower? It's because that temperature is ideal for a liquid called rennet, and this used to be made from the stomach of calves. But nowadays, about 10 years ago, we switched because we said we don't want to use animal products in our food. So this is microbiological rennet. So no animal products. So this is added to the milk, and almost straight away something happens to that milk. I don't know if you can see it all. The milk separates into some lumpy stuff at the bottom and a liquid at the top. This is called the curd, and that's called the whey. And it's only that bit that we want for cheese making. We don't want it, that one we cannot use. If this is 100%, only 10% is curd and 90% is whey, which we can't do anything with, at least not for making cheese. And in fact, when I was younger, I used to cycle home, and we put the curd into here, into this round shape. So it's like your kitchen sieve. So the curd goes in here, and then we have a round shaped little holes. It goes in there. And the lid goes on top, and the lid slides down a bit, till about no further. Then we press it really hard for about 2 hours. And this is old-fashioned. Nowadays we use modern machines, but we still do the same thing. We press it really hard for 2 hours to get as much liquid coming out of the little holes. In an IOD world, it would look like that. But it doesn't look like that. I mean, no. It's not finished yet. No, unfortunately. It looks like that. And this is already, that's my mind there, it's already got the shape of cheese, but all it is pressed curd, nothing more. So we need to do a few more things. So, every day. Someone will have to turn over all the cheese, by hand, all the cheeses, every day, for 4 weeks. Any idea why we need to do that? Why do we need to turn the cheese over every day? And then we cut it and then you can taste it. Any idea what this is? What does it look like?
Small cheese.
A slice of cheese. And this is like a really nice tool because look, you can get yourself a nice thin slice of cheese. It goes really well on your sandwich. Anybody from, oh yeah, you're from Australia, aren't you? Got some bad news for you. Anybody from the US and Canada? But this is made from raw milk. And Australia doesn't now, and trust me, this doesn't work. This is made from raw milk, so although we heat the milk, we don't heat it through the 65 degrees pasteurization process. So it might contain bacteria.
Come to Cheese Heaven, guys. So 10:55 back at the bus, and you have some free time now. You can do whatever you want. Enjoy, guys. Here, Lino.